Hello and welcome to this quick video. This is to announce the winner of this thing here. Now, in this video that I did last week talking about the LAL 5.1, I was a bit sneaky. And if you watched to the very end, you would have spotted that I actually did a giveaway for the previous version, the success version, the LAL5. So if you like, comment, subscribed, or make sure you're a subscriber, then you enter the draw. And quite a few people of you spotted that. Well done. So I'm going to run the draw today. Let's find out who's going to become the new owner of that original LAL5 6S version. So let me just cut and paste the link into here. Now, some people did LAL5, some people put a space between the LAL and the 5. I'm going to be nice and just say if they've got LAL. Oh, yeah, okay, so that's pretty much everybody. So let's run it. And the winner of the LAL5 is F3L1X, F3Licks, Flicks. Not sure how I pronounce that. Congratulations. Pop me your details to lee@painless360.com and I'll get this out to you. Commiserations to everyone else. Thank you for watching my video and watching right to the very end. If you want to find out what I'm currently working on, you can follow me on social media by searching for Painless360 in the usual places. If you'd like to become part of the inner circle, then you can become a Patreon. Details are in the description and you get lots of additional benefits. Check out the playlist section on the channel too. I organise all of my videos into playlists and it's called something like Introduction to or for Beginners. All of the content is aimed so that you can start at the very beginning and it teaches you that subject, starting with simple principles and moving up to teach you everything you need to know.